Hello, this is Beth Ann Stone with the LMC Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness, and this video will provide you with instructions on how to publish and submit your administrative unit's Program Review Year 5 update in eLumen. Now that I've completed entering all the information for my Year 5 update, I'm ready to publish and submit it. Please note on your screen the last section of your eLumen template labeled Impact of Resource Allocation. There is nothing for you to complete under this header. It's just merely informing you that if you've received resource allocation funding, you will be asked via email by the Business Services Office to provide a description of how those resources have supported you in achieving your program goals. Again, there's nothing for you to complete for this sentence, just a mere statement informing you what to expect if you received resource allocation. Now I'm ready to publish my Year 5 update. I want to scroll to the top and select the Publish All button. Please note the deadline into which Administrative Unit's Program Review Year 5 is due. This is included in your guide as well as on the website. After I publish it, I can download a PDF of my Program Review Year 5 update. I could do so by clicking on the link labeled Strategic Initiative Report. I click on this, the screen appears showing my Year 5 update, including the questions and my responses. To save it, I hit Print, and I can choose to print it to one of my printers. I also want to save it, so I'm going to select Save as PDF, hit Save. A box will appear for me to designate the folder I would like to save it in. I click on Save. And I'm taken back to the screen. I select the back button to return to my template, and I have now published and submitted my Year 5 update for my Administrative Unit Planning and Institutional Effectiveness Office in eLumen. Should you have any questions regarding navigation to eLumen, require one-on-one trainings in person via Zoom, or for your department or program, please feel free to contact me via email at brobertson@losmedanos.edu. Should you have any questions, require training, or information and instructions on Tableau related to your program review data, please visit the Data Dashboard and Data Coach's website for more information. Thank you and have a great day.